This is the Ring Stick-Up Cam, a home monitoring camera that goes indoors, outdoors, even between doors, so you can see every corner of your home. Stay connected with motion alerts.
Why is Frankie out?
And speak to who's there with two-way talk.
Hey, Eddie.
Hey, Mrs. Dawson.
Power Stick-Up Cam however you want. Just plug it in, pop in a battery, or let the sun do the charging for you. And if your Ring alarm goes off, Stick-Up Cam can start recording automatically.
That's pretty smart.
It sure is.
So start protecting your home and family with the easy installing, home monitoring, indoor-outdoor Stick-Up Cam by Ring.
Introducing Indoor Cam by Ring. See, hear, and speak to anyone inside your home.
Cosmo, stop it!
Indoor Cam is small, like really small. So you can put it here, here, or here. Get 1, 2, or more indoor cams and monitor all of them at once from the Ring app. Or just use Alexa.
Hey, kids.
Hi, Dad!
Turn motion recording on when you head out of town. Or turn it off when you don't want to be recorded. And if your Ring alarm is triggered, Indoor Cam records automatically! So start protecting your home and family with a small, sleek, and discreet Indoor Cam by Ring.